Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to do another tutorial, and this is my Gypsy or Bohomian style tassel, and this is for my July kit, part of my July kit. So I make this one for the tassel in the Gypsy bag fabric journal kit. So this is the embroidery trim. I use the embroidery trim to make this tassel, and this is the Daiso DIY button, and I don't have the small one, but yeah, so I make this one to show you. And yeah, by request from the member to ask me to how I make this tassel, so I will do this tutorial to show you, and it is very simple. And this one is my Gypsy, I don't know how to call the thing, is embellishment, yeah, and the ball, okay, so I hang like so, and all this is just hang like so the tassel came out like this. So you hang the beside onto your Gypsy kit. Yeah, it's pretty. But today the tutorial I show you is I will not use this trim because I already run out from the trim, so I use all this is the leftover from my stash. Is the it's a tie-dye cotton trim. So yeah, and this is quite long, and actually it just depends how long and how big the tassel you prefer for your project. So you just decide by your own for the length of the trim. So you can see different here, the tassel is different length, because all this is my leftover. I just grab some of this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 different patterns here. Some being the same, but this one I use most of here is half yard. Yeah, half yard each pattern, so you can make this size, okay. The length is quite long, okay. And this one, let me do zoom out so you can easy. Oh, ready. Okay, let me do just my camera. So yeah, what you need to do is the length is doesn't matter. Yeah, just let it. Yeah, some is you can short and long, okay, and it turned out to be quite pretty. But yeah, you have to see. Let me check first. You have to make sure, or you have to grab hold all together here. If you want, you can make a knot if you're long enough, but the knot is quite big, so I won't do that. So yeah, you have to grab, and I know so many tutorial here on YouTube, but anyway, I just show you how I make mine, okay. So what you need to do is, before you tie them, because this one I make this because I want to hang it in my Gypsy bowl. So I will leave this later. I will tie this in my Gypsy fabric bowl, okay. So before that, I will use this to let me see. Okay, that's so. And you tie the knot here first, because later you will see where you want to tie this tassel, okay. later after that, yeah, like so. So you have to, this is quite long, my tassel. Anyway, you can trim, okay, like so. And very easy. For this one, I use this another pattern of the embroidery trim to tie over, okay, but this one I use this like a crochet, cotton crochet trim. So yeah, you just okay here, just like so. Yeah, you can make short a bit up, or yeah, anyway I just make here, okay. So you have to put a little bit glue here. So this one, this side, and you tie it, you yeah, just roll around and put the glue and here. So you got this, okay, your tassel already, okay. And now I will add this one yeah, you also can eat the beaded trim tangle. I love, yeah, have movement. So I just okay, the ugly part I will hide, okay, and just put a little bit glue here, and this one cover like so, okay. Super easy, right? Okay, like so. So now you have to know which side you have to put. And this one I put this button here, and yeah, you can put anything you like, flower or anything, and yeah, anything you can hang onto your tassel, okay, tangle or tassel. Yeah, what I make is because I will plan to make another gypsy book in the soft color, so I will when I manage to my time, I will make one is in the bright color, and another one I will make another one in the soft color. So I make this one. So this one is the tassel button. Also I can cover with the image and alternate with the fabric that I print out from Pinterest, or this pattern. And what I do is I print on this kind of the fabric. It's the curtain underneath the layer, is not the lace, it's called like a organza type, yeah, the material. So you can see print out like so, like a tissue paper. So I cut out all the flower and alter this pattern, and I will have another video to show you how I alter. And yeah, for the kit, yeah, monthly kit, next month is August. Yeah, I will plan to make a DIY flower and embellishment and alter apricot. And so yes, still has many. I still have not so sure, yeah, the idea, I mean the what exactly in the kit yet, but mostly is the handmade flower kit. And yeah, if possible, I also will include the embellishment in the kit for your is your DIY. I mean, you have to make everything by your own. I just, yeah, provide the material. So for the yeah, I believe for the kit I also will do different all the tutorial to show you how to use the kit or whatever. I mean, yeah, how to make all the flowers, or yeah, I just this still in my I still, yeah, thinking how to should I do the kit. Still not so confirmed yet. Okay, but get this embellishment here. So yeah, I will have the tutorial to show you. Okay, like so. So I will put this here. Okay, so yeah, to see which side is better look. So I think this side. Okay, so I'll put the glue. I think, yeah, put the glue here, and put my embellish this button. Look. Pretty, right? And yeah, I need to put everything like so. So you have checked if I think, yeah, okay. And I will also, and I have no idea where I get this, all this. Yeah, this is quite pretty, so I will add here all this, just the make it look soft. And I don't have any more. I don't know who, yeah, give me this one. So yeah, just simply just random put this on. Let me zoom in so you can see how I did. Okay, just like so. And okay, and I have two more, and I will add this in here. Of course, when you hang the tassel, you just will see the front. Okay, so I will try to put all this here. Like so, and one more. Where should I put? Here, in this side, here, bottom here, the top. Let me be here. This one. Yeah, on top you can see. Yeah, put here. Okay, just randomly. Okay, like so. Okay, so far I will not add anything first, because I will see how my kit, what's the color. So when I make the boat, and I will try to get to match with my Gypsy bag fabric boat. Okay, so this is my very soft Bohomian tassel. This is the back. Okay, if you want, you also can alter the back, so both sides you can see. Okay, let me see to solve, maybe, yeah, see how, cause I still not sure what I will what color will in the kit. Yeah, maybe we'll cut these small pieces to put the color on the tassel. Yeah, still not sure yet, but so far I will just make it simple. And yeah, hope you like this tassel. And oh, sorry, make you dizzy. Okay, yeah, this is my bright color one, and my handmade embellishment here. So yeah, okay, and oh, this is my handmade flower. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, with this color, maybe, yeah, my boat, this quite matching with my. You make this flower for my very soft gypsy boat. Okay, so yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel and taking your time to watch my video. And yeah, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what do you all think of my tassel. Okay, lace tassel. And if you like this tutorial, and please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.